What's up, gang? It's Austin with Hitchfire. We're out here at Pure 4x4 outside of Sierraville. We're gonna be putting together some waffles and gravy this morning. Let's get into it. Things are hot, good to go. We got some breakfast sausage. Some say it's the stickiest breakfast sausage this side of the Mississippi. Pretty basic little breakfast sausage mix that we're gonna get into our gravy here. We're gonna get this all browned up. Once we're there, we're gonna leave all the fat and grease in there. We're actually add a little bit more fat with some butter, let that melt, start adding in some flour, and then some milk to make the gravy, toast up some waffles on the barbecue, help everyone's hangover. Man, Pure 4x4, what an evening it was. We made friends, we lost friends, found out that even though it's quiet time at midnight, maybe you just want to DJ and freestyle rap until 2:30 in the morning, you know? Butter. With gravy, you're kind of making a roux. So this flour is going to incorporate with the fat, and it's going to act as a thickening agent so that when we add in our dairy, which will be half and half today because we thick boys. I used to live in the Midwest, and there was a restaurant that the woman in the kitchen would cook everything, and she'd have like a cigarette hanging out of her mouth the whole time, and it would be like all ash, and you're just like, where does that ash to? Where does it go? It's in the gravy. It's in the gravy. The little brown bits in here, that's the flour starting to get to the point where we want to start adding in our half and half. See that color making the other color? It means it's good. We've added in our dairy now. The roux's doing its thing. It's thickening up. We're gonna let this simmer on low for, this one will only actually need just a few minutes. We packed some pre-made frozen waffles with us. We're using some Kodiak Cakes, power waffles. Quick, easy, simple breakfast anyone can put together. Just gonna place these down, close, we'll give it a flip in a moment or two. All right, gang, breakfast is done, waffles are toasted, gravy's done. If that isn't super gnarly camping fat kid food, I don't know what is. Boom, baby, waffles and gravy. For the recipe, check the website. Hope you enjoy. I make really good gravy.